Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the brand new Z Fold 7. Is it a massive leap forward or just a subtle refresh? Let's find out. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the Fold 7 may look like its predecessor, but there are some key differences. The Fold 7 is thinner and slightly lighter, with a redesigned hinge and a less visible crease than ever. It also boasts a more durable inner display with a stronger ultra-thin glass. Both phones offer stunning foldable displays, but Samsung has made some subtle yet meaningful improvements. While the Fold 5 has a 7.6-inch inner display, the Fold 7 now boasts a full 8-inch inner display with a brighter panel. It has an improved cover display aspect ratio, which is more usable on the Z Fold 7, and higher peak brightness and better outdoor visibility. Under the hood, the Fold 7 is rocking the latest Snapdragon Elite for Galaxy, and Samsung is finally catching up on foldable specific software features. Cameras are often the deal breaker. Let's see what's changed here. The Z Fold 5 has a triple lens setup with a 50 megapixel main shooter, whereas the Z Fold 7 has a triple lens setup and the new 200 megapixel main shooter. The Z Fold 7 now handles better low light performance than the Z Fold 5. The Z Fold 5 has an enhanced selfie camera under the display versus the Fold 7, which now has a 10 megapixel hole punch camera which has much better quality. When it comes to power, the Fold7 brings a few enhancements that help it last much longer. The Fold5 features a 4400 mAh battery with 25-watt charging, whereas the Fold7 has the same size battery, but with the Snapdragon Elite processor has much better efficiency. It does still have the 25-watt charging. Samsung is leaning hard into AI and ecosystem features this year. AI features exclusive to the Fold7, such as live voice translation, generative photo edits, and smart replies, are also available on the Galaxy Fold5. As for the ecosystem, both the Fold5 and the Fold7 have DeX mode capability. They integrate well with the Galaxy Ring or the Galaxy Watch, as well as other devices such as the Buds Pro, Buds Pro 3, Galaxy Buds, and the full line of tablets. If you are a fan of the S Pen, keep in mind the Fold7 no longer supports it, as in order to keep the thinness of the Fold7, they removed the digitizer underneath the display, but the Fold5 does fully support S Pen capability. So should you upgrade from the Fold5 to the Fold7? Well, here are some key points. The Fold5 can be had for under $800 refurbished, whereas the Fold7 starts at $2,000 depending on the storage tier that you pick. The Fold7 is definitely worth it if you want top-tier performance, better display, and enhanced AI tools, whereas the Fold5 still holds up well, especially if found at a discount price. And that wraps up our comparison of the Z Fold 5 versus the Z Fold 7. Let me know in the comments, are you upgrading or sticking with your current foldable? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell for more foldable tech content. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.